Hey guys, good morning. What is freaking up, you guys? It is currently February 5th, aka a day after Matt's birthday yesterday. So yesterday Matt turned 79 years old. Just kidding, Matt turned 29, but we ran out of 2s on Amazon.com, so I had to get a 7 instead. Today is our last day in Los Angeles. I am so sad yet so excited. We have so much stuff that needs to get done, and today is officially the day we start daily vlogging. Expect videos from me every single day, guys. Hold me accountable because you know your girl might get a little stressed and then fall off a few days. I'm so excited to be in Denver, but we got a lot of shit we need to get done. Let's get started because I have so much packing to do and cleaning to do because Matt's brother Andrew is gonna be staying at this house for a whole month. So I wanna make sure the house is like decently clean for someone to live here for a month because I would feel really bad giving him like a dirty home. First thing on the freaking menu for today, First thing on the to-do list today is open up all these packages. Yes, I opened up packages last week and I honestly do not know how I got more packages. I might as well open them today because I want to do a huge unboxing of packages after I come back from Denver, Colorado, and I know I'm gonna have an insane amount. Oh, by the way, we finally took down our Christmas tree yesterday and it looks so amazing. Alright guys, here's everything that we got. Today's video is not an unboxing video, by the way, so we're not gonna go super into depth about what I got. Also, my boba came in. It is my last day. I get to have boba, so you better believe I got boba. Literally, guys, I swear I'm getting a little bit of a bank because of boba. Like, my boba is giving me a little booty. I'm happy with it. Everyone's happy with it, I hope. Matt's, I'm sure, is happy with it. But we got my strawberry tea fresca. Oh my god, so good.
Let's go now. Till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb.
Hey guys, so I just opened up all my packages and I figured I would just show you guys a really quick rundown of what I got. And I'm definitely bringing a lot of these. And I told myself I wasn't gonna overpack, but I don't know how I'm not gonna overpack, but we're working on that. Either way, I wanted to show you guys what I got. First thing I got is the $100,000 puzzle from David Dobrik. And I'm pretty sure he sold like 30,000 puzzles and I always order like 10,100 or something. I'm so excited to try this out. Let me know if I should film it. I was thinking of like getting really tipsy and then trying to figure out this puzzle. I heard it's supposed to be a very hard puzzle. Once I finish this puzzle, I can make 25 cents or $100,000. With my luck, you better believe I'm gonna get $100,000. The next package I got is from Skinny Dipped Almonds. You guys have no idea. I love these so much. I'm not gonna lie, I don't buy these for myself that often because they're not super cheap to purchase. I mean, I think they're about $5 a pack. I could be wrong. They might be cheaper or more expensive depending on where you live, but I'm obsessed with them. I honestly think I'm gonna really like these ones. The next package I got are these pajamas from Vanity Planet. These are hands down the cutest pink color I've ever seen. They also gave me a bucket hat, which not gonna lie, I don't know if I can pull off bucket hats. I'm probably gonna embarrass myself because how do people wear bucket hats? I don't understand. This isn't it. Guys, this ain't it. I don't know about this. I also got a package from Pop Beauty. These are little like hydrogels for your lips, which is really freaking cool. Some lip plumper and lipstick. And then the last package I got is from Princess Polly. I did buy a jacket from Princess Polly because I needed one that wasn't a like pastel blue jacket. It's a cropped puffer and I don't want it to be super cropped on me. I kind of want it oversized. So I got a large/extra large. And then I got a bunch of tops as well. So we got this top. This feels really nicely made. I already bought a top that was very similar to this, so I knew they were going to be really good quality. And then I bought the cutest two-toned cardigan. I have never seen a cardigan that looks like this. We are going to be bringing this to Denver, Colorado, so I do need to repack everything just to double check that I'm not bringing too many things to Denver with me. Okay, so I decided to change into that two-toned cardigan so that I look a little more put together because I wasn't looking too hot earlier. This is definitely way more cropped than I was expecting it to be, but it's so freaking cool and cute. But really fast, I want to put on that puffer jacket and see what that looks like on. All right, here is that puffer jacket that I got in a size large. As you guys can see, it is so cropped, so definitely go a little bit larger. Like that is still a little too cropped for me. Like I wish it was a little bit longer. Hell yeah, guys. I'm gonna be so warm in Denver. It is currently like low 30s in Denver. And then at nighttime it gets to like 17 degrees. So it's gonna be pretty freaking cold. So I'm gonna have to like learn how to bundle up a lot. So cute. I figured I would fill this bin up with things that we need for our kitchen. So like that would be snacks so that we don't have to go out and rebuy a bunch of stuff that we just don't need. Like hot sauce, salt, pepper, things like that. First off, we're gonna start off with the skinny dip almonds that we got. So I'm bringing the skinny dip almonds, dark chocolate peanut butter, lemon bliss sounds bomb. Zoe. So we're in my kitchen now because there's more stuff that we need to pack up for our trip. I don't know where to start. I literally don't. Maple brown sugar oatmeal. That sounds pretty freaking good. Ooh, we got some seaweed snacks. I think I pretty much have a lot of snacks. Of course, we're gonna buy more snacks when we're there. The good stuff, the good is all of these sauces. So we're gonna bring quite a bit of sauces because I know Matt loves his sauces and I have my favorites as well. First off, we're starting off with Maggie. Love that shit. She's good. Matt loves his red rooster sauce. Tapatio. Matt loves his tapatio as well. Oh my god, if we get sushi to go, I love my sesame seeds. This is kind of big. You need the big honey. Where's the big honey? Matt's gonna think I'm absolutely insane. We get a lot of sauces, guys. Okay guys, so I packed everything that is gonna be in like our pantry in Denver. So this is all of our spices and our sauces and stuff. I think I did pretty well. Like I was able to fit everything in this little box. I have not included everything. Like we're still gonna bring like a rice cooker because I love my freaking rice. And I'm pretty sure Matt's gonna wanna bring his new Nespresso machine. So we still have a bunch of things that we do need to pack. So far, that is one thing done. Okay guys, so I finished packing another box for us. P.S. If you're wondering why I'm not bringing like large cardboard boxes, that's because I don't really know how much room is in Matt's car for us. Littler boxes like this will be able to like fit and squeeze into tight little spaces. As you guys can see, we're bringing quite a bit of cans. As you guys know, I don't love drinking, but I do enjoy taking like edibles every single night. And my friend Lauren is actually an investor in cans. These things are amazing. Highly suggest grabbing some if you guys are old enough and you live in a state where drinking or eating or smoking marijuana is okay, and they are legal in California and in Colorado. But I'm bringing some parchment paper. We're also bringing all of our vitamins. So I'm bringing my Ritual vitamins. As you guys know, they did sponsor a video, but I genuinely really enjoy these. I'm only bringing these guys, and then these Glow Bites, which is a form of collagen because this does not have collagen in it, and collagen is just really good for your hair, your skin, your nails, and everything. We're bringing my mini little rice maker. I freaking love this rice cooker. It's so little. I'll link it in my description box down below because this thing is amazing. Less than $20, and it's perfect if you just live by yourself or if you live with like 1 or 2 other people. And we're just bringing a bunch of other random little utensils and stuff that we think we might need. We filled up this little bucket with all the games and puzzles that we're gonna need while we're in Colorado. Also, I am bringing a giant Don Julio because I figured I was gonna probably get tipsy a little bit while I was there and maybe film some videos. I would personally never buy it for myself, but freaking Alicia, thank you for sponsoring all of my future tipsy videos because Alicia Murray gave it to all of us in a little like PR package when she had her Vlogmas merch. Shop aliciamurray.com if you guys want to check out any of her merch. So right now I'm back in my bedroom because I have so much packing left to do still and nowhere close to being done. I feel like Matt hasn't even started packing yet, which is stressing me out because I feel like I can't pack until he's packing so that I know what he's bringing. Honestly, I can take up the entire car if I wanted to, and I know that I can't, so I'm like trying to be a good girlfriend and gauge how much to bring based on him, but it's not helpful when he's not packing at all right now, and I know he's gonna be stressed out packing and is probably not gonna go to sleep till very late tonight because he has not done anything. We're in my office right now. This mess of stuff is going inside this little bag. Hopefully everything fits. Normally I am able to get everything to fit in here, but we shall see. Guys, can I just tell you guys that manifestation or just saying your daily affirmation helps so much. I got the craziest email and craziest phone call, 2 separate things today, and I'm like shaking, guys. Like, I am literally shaking. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm freaking out a little bit because, hold on, it is so dark in this house. One, my freaking favorite brand, candy brand of all time, just DM'd me to set up a phone call with their CEO because I want to start investing my money. I want to be financially secure when I get older, and I have been wanting to invest into candy brands, and my dream candy brand is interested in setting up a phone call so we can talk money and finances. I'm freaking out a lot because this is literally my favorite candy brand ever, and I'm not gonna say their names just yet, just in case it doesn't go through. This is crazy. And second, I just got off a phone call with my Wells Fargo mortgage lender, and I just got approved for a loan amendment to my 30-year home mortgage, which means my freaking mortgage rates went down a shit ton, guys. I'm not kidding, a shit ton. So my mortgage rate was 3.5%. It is currently down to 2.875%. And a loan amendment is so much better than getting a refinanced loan because I don't have to pay any fees. It automatically just happens. That is because your girl has a good credit score. I also just found out my credit score is freaking 811, which is insane and really freaking good. Either way, do your guys' daily affirmations. Let's do them together. If you guys haven't done yours today yet, we're gonna do it right now. I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am rich, I am that bitch. I'm gonna go get that bag, and I'm not gonna take your shit. I am protected, well respected, I'm a queen, I'm a dream, I do what I wanna do. Ooh, I'm who I wanna be, cause I am me. Woo! I feel better. I'm literally attracting amazing things into my life. I can't believe this just happened. I'm freaking out. All right, I have so much shit to do today. So I still have a bunch of more packing and cleaning to do, and let's go do that. I'm too excited to do anything now. I'm wearing my little new puffer jacket, but Matt and I just got food. I got Shake Shack, and then Matt got Mendocino Farms. I am so hungry and so excited. Today's been such a long day for both of us, but especially Matt. He had like at least like 6 meetings today. Earlier today, I was packing all the orders for MissTiffanyMa.com. The store is officially closed by the time you guys see this video because we're closing it down for a whole month while I'm gone in Denver because it'll be impossible for me to bring all these packing stuff to Denver. It wouldn't make any sense. I just had a few orders today that I had to pack up, so we had 5 orders today. So tomorrow morning, I'm gonna wake up a little bit early and drop it off to USPS. So I started eating already, but I got a Shack burger with fries and chicken bites. These chicken bites are so good. I really, really like them. I got a lot of food. I'm very excited to eat all of it. So it is currently 11 p.m. I'm dead tired, but I'm almost done packing, and I just wanted to show you guys before I ended today's vlog of what we've done so far. We've cleaned up the house a little bit. We still need to clean up a little more, but for the most part, we're almost done packing everything. It still hasn't hit me that it is almost time to leave. So Matt is pretty good. This is Matt's stuff. He's bringing his computer. It is freaking massive. Those are his clothes. He's not actually packing a lot of clothes. He said he was just gonna rewear a lot of stuff. I, on the other hand, packed all of these clothes. Then I have my snowboarding gear in there. I am bringing home decor, so I'm bringing some blankets and some pillows. This is all of my camera equipment. Weirdly and oddly and nicely enough, it all fits. And then we have all of this stuff right here. So this is our snowboarding stuff. I have some DIY stuff that I wanted to do while I was there. And then we have all of our food and board games and stuff like that. So it's quite a bit of stuff. We're gonna wake up tomorrow morning and see if everything fits in Matt's Jeep. I'm praying everything fits because I really do want to bring all this stuff. We're gonna have to wait to see until tomorrow. So today is our last night in LA. It feels so weird. I'm gonna miss Zoe so freaking much. But yeah, that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure you guys stay tuned for tomorrow because we are daily vlogging, guys. That is amazing. And if you guys made it to the end of the video, comment down below if you were to live anywhere in the world, where would you want to live and why? My dream place to live is probably Paris, but that would mean I'd have to learn French, and your girl is just not good at French. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Holy cow, we're daily vlogging. Bye guys, bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.